Gotta get the fucking keys, guys. You guys already know what the dealio is. So now your boy's finally back home right here, and you got just double start this bitch. If it turns on, it's a cold start for like a week. Gotta get the fucking keys, guys. You guys already know what the dealio is. So now your boy's finally back home right here, and you got the horneado right here in the restroom. Look at him. Sheesh. Alright, guys, give you guys that Tommy cold start. My mom said she tried turning on the car and it wasn't turning on, and I'm about to show you guys what happened to the car. Look at guys.
Because of the hood.
Look at this shit. No, it turns on still.
With the hood?
Yeah, with the hood open, it turns on. But look what happened, guys. Like literally, this is what I was talking about.
Right here too?
That was already there. Remember? This is what happened. Right here, the fresh new paint right here on the front bumper. Oh, the bottom too, look. Right here. All messed up, guys. This is crazy. Look at this shit, y'all. See? So, I'm gonna take it tomorrow. Alex is gonna be my driver. He's taking me. And my dog pissed on the rims. Thank you. This car's all banded and shit. But fuck it. It is what it is, guys. I'm gonna get this shit fixed tomorrow. It's not gonna look like that. Probably get the car back Monday, the next week. See this, guys, right here? Scratch right there. Scratch right here. It's kind of worse. This is the worst it's been. And see that little gap in between? There's a big gap right here, so it's just supposed to be like this, all lined up. And yeah, this is a new scratch it got right here as well, guys. It's bad. This was already here from the freeway when I was driving one time. But yeah, I got all these little new scratches. But the homie's gonna make it look brand new again. I know he brings the cars back to life. But we just came back from long haul. You guys already know. Look at that truck. Sheesh. My mom said it didn't want to start, so let's see if it doesn't want to start. I'm gonna give you guys 2 button press, and I don't know why it's doing that. Let's see what's gonna happen. Maybe because the hood's open, bro. That's probably why. Let's see.
I'm telling you.
Let's see. Let's try it out now.
Lock it and then do it.
Okay, lock.
See, remote cancel, hood open. I told you.
Okay, let's see now. Let's double start this bitch. If it turns on, it's a cold start for like a week. Cold start, dog. You guys hear that Tommy, fucker? So yeah, guys, that's it. Damn, look at her. She hasn't been on in a while. Look at that shit. She's a dirty hoe. She all fucked up. But I'm gonna take her to get fixed tomorrow, guys. And yeah, look how the truck looks coming back from long haul. Yes, sir. This shit's all dirty. Look at this shit. Sheesh. That's snow right here, guys. That's what y'all see right there. The mirror's all dirty and shit. But yes, sir. Cascadia. Is that a Cascadia, fucker? I think it is, guys. Look at the interior, guys. I'm gonna start bringing the camera so y'all can see how it looks inside. This is where we practically live in here, y'all. The bed's right there. Sheesh. The bed on the top as well. Look at second bunk bed on the top. It has a ladder right there. Our blankets right there. Our big ass mattresses. There's a driver right here. Yes, sir. Automatic. Regularly there's a little like manual shit right here. All right, now I'm gonna turn off the car though, guys, because she don't need to be on. I'll turn it on later. Turn off, bitch. But yeah, guys, you guys say live in action. Today is basically what we do. Yes, sir. The GPS is right here as well. Sheesh. I was in the vlogger now, guys. The homie's about to leave her now. I gotta do some errands in the house, and then yeah. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. I gotta do a lot of stuff. I literally came back right now, and damn, it's a lot of stuff to do, y'all. But at least the car turns on, and at least the car's gonna get fixed tomorrow. So it is what it is. So stay tuned, though, guys. Yes, sir. All right, y'all, so y'all can see your boy's a little bit sweaty. I'm sorry, I'm on the camera sweaty as hell, guys, but I'm gonna show you guys, I showed you guys earlier when Alex was here how the car looks. It's a quick update. So I tried my best wiping it with the wet rag, and yes, the rim got a little bit damaged right here, but I'm gonna paint it with the black Sharpie so you won't be able to see that anymore. The bumper, as y'all can see, is not in the best condition. It's always this side. I tried my best to align it as close as I could so that way it'll look like this. But for some reason, it doesn't want to align really good, so I'm going to have to leave it like that. You can't really tell unless you pay close attention, so I'm going to wait till I take it to the guy who's going to fix that. He's going to repair the scratches on the bumper right there. As y'all can see, those scratches are not going to be there no more. See, those are very horrible. That line right here, that right there, as y'all can see. The lines right here, right here at the bottom. The chip, I cleaned it. It was worse. I cleaned it with the wet rag. And at the bottom of the bumper right here, see the paint ripped off. It's like all bad. I'm gonna have to get a front splitter as well, so that way I won't scrape no more. Right here in the front of the bumper as well, as you can see, it got damaged right there, guys. I have bad luck with this car. The scat pack would never get damaged. This car, like, for some reason, like, it loves to get damaged, but it won't look like this anymore, guys. But just to treat her well, you know, I feel sorry for her being hurt and damaged. I kind of cleaned the carpets. As y'all can see, I have them in the sun right now drying, but I cleaned the carpets really good with some soap and some warm water, so y'all can see that all the mud came out and they look clean. As y'all can see, I'm letting them air dry in the sun. It looks crazy as hell. Yes, sir. And I actually cleaned the inside of the carpets as well because, yes, I was drinking and me and the homies dropped like buzz balls in here, a lot of drinks, and kind of made the carpet smells nasty and sticky and dirty. So as y'all can see now, the carpets are clean as well. Letting them air dry by the sun. And now, sorry for the noise, the beeping noise. I know you guys can hear it because the doors are open, but see, the carpet's inside. I did a little detail. Sheesh. And that will not look like that anymore, guys. I'm gonna take it to the shop tomorrow. The homie's gonna help me. So you can't really see. He's gonna take me over there. He's gonna follow me. I'm gonna record his car tomorrow too. So stay tuned for that vlog because you guys will see that tomorrow. So you guys can't really see. There's like a little bit damage right there. You can't really tell from far. But now you end up getting close to it. And voila. You can see it. It's not aligned right. It's separate, has a gap in between. Scratched right here. This is the worst right here, guys. A little bit of lines right here going down the bumper. Yes, it sucks ass right here at the very bottom too, right here in the front, as y'all can see. But that was already here. I was on the freeway, something hit my bumper, so I think it was meant to be, so I could paint it all over again. But this time I'm for sure gonna get a front splitter, guys. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think I should do, guys? And yes, my stupid dog pissed on the rim right there, y'all can see. But let me know what y'all think I should do. Yes, I'm sad, but oh well, guys. So that was it today's vlog. I just wanted to show you guys a quick little update on how the car is, what condition it is in. I'm gonna take it to the shop tomorrow, guys, and the guy should work on it. The homie's gonna have it fixed by next week. I'm pretty sure. He's always on top of it. He gets it done quick, and he charges like a pretty good prices, not too cheap, not too expensive. But yes, guys, he does great quality work, and that's why I keep going to him. He's in Anaheim, California. He's actually very good at what he does. I need to start being more careful with the vehicle, guys, because it's just very crazy that this is the third time I'm fixing the bumper. The first time I got this car, I kind of hit the front bumper. I took it and I got it fixed, and I said this wasn't gonna happen. The second time, I hit a big dip on the ground and I managed to like mess with the front bumper at the very bottom, and it was just bad. Now this is the third time, guys. I need to chill because it's always on the front. It's always the front bumper. I'm not sure, like, excuse me, I have bad luck, guys. This car is just like, it even says it in the name. All the homies tell me a Hellcat. Hell, it has hell on it. I don't know, guys, but stay tuned for us to come, because tonight I might go to a car meet. I'm not sure, it's a Sunday, so I'm not very sure if your boy's actually going to be able to have time to go to the car meet, guys, because there's not really a lot of car meets on a Sunday night. Maybe there possibly will be. Sometimes they throw them, so I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do tonight, guys, because the whole other homie said he might want to go to the bar, so I might manage going to the bar. If I don't go to the bar, then your boy's gonna just end up going to wash the car and go to a car meet, or see what we're gonna do tonight, guys. I'm not sure, but tomorrow for sure this car's gonna be going to the shop, and I'll do another vlog for you guys so y'all can see how the car looks, a quick little update, and you guys will be able to see the other Hellcat, the Daytona, the homies. I'm having vlog me. I'll do a little like rollers, because this car, I have no rollers in this car at all, guys. This shit needs rollers. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys think this shit really needs rollers. Like, I have no rollers at all in the car, guys, so you guys need to see that. I know you guys want to see that, and I'm gonna show you guys that. But yeah, that's pretty much the condition the vehicle is in right now and the situation I'm in, guys. But it's been your boy Rob. Remember, guys, never give up. Keep moving forward. Keep trying for success. And you guys already know, just like TJ Hunt says it, remember why you started. Keep moving forward, and just know that there's always a rainbow at the end of the storm, y'all. It's been your boy Rob, and stay tuned for what's to come. Coming harder every day, guys. Peace out, y'all.